Good morning, children. I am Keshav sir, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Visayan School. In previous class, we have discussed the topic second chapter fractions. Today also we have to continue the same topic fractions only. All of you open your textbook. The topic name fractions. Okay. Topic fractions. All of you today solved examples I will explain. Page number 18, solved example. Example 1. Add 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. Okay. So 2 by 3 and 5 by 7, how to add? Just we have to take first LCM for 3 and 7. That means 2 by 3. Add, addition means what? Plus 5 by 7. Okay, children. Now LCM of 3 and 7, that is equal to 21. Why? Because so 3 1 ja 3, 7 1 ja 7, so that is equal to, so LCM is equal to 3 into 7, 21. Okay, children. Now 2 by 3, so 2 by 3 is equal to, multiply and divide 7 by 7. Okay, that is equal to 2 7 ja 14, 2 7 ja 14, 3 7 ja 21. Okay. Next to 5 by 7, that is equal to 5 by 7 into 3 by 3. Why? Because we are equating the denominators. 3 7 ja 21, 7 3s are 21. So that's why denominator is 21, 5 3s are 15. Now 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 3, so that is equal to 14 by 21, 5 by 7 equal to 15 by 21. So 14 by 21 plus 15 by 21. LCM, so denominators both are same, 21. That means 14 plus 15, that is equal to 14 plus 15, 29 by 21. So 29 by 21 we have to convert into mixed fraction. Okay, so 21 1 ja 21, remainder 8, so 1 and 8 by 21. Sorry. So 1 and 8 by 21. This is the one process. I will tell another process also. Okay. This is the one process. In the same question, I will solve in another process. Okay. Any process which is easy, that one you can follow this. Okay. Children, I hope you understood. Okay. Next, note down, children, first. See, 2 by 3 into what is LCM here? 21. So multiply by 21 plus fraction 5 by 7 into LCM 21 whole by LCM 21. So that is equal to 3 7 ja 21, 7 3 ja 21. So 2 7 ja 14 plus 5 3 ja 15 by 21. So that is equal to 29 by 21. Now the same process, 29 by 21, 21 1 ja 21, remainder 8, so 1 and 8 by 21. So this is a one more process. I think so it is very easy than previous. Children, just first of all we have to find the LCM. Okay, so fraction into LCM plus fraction into LCM, okay, divided by whole by 21, whole by 21, that is equal to 3 7 ja 21, 2 7 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 5 3 ja 15, 14 plus 15 29 by 21. Okay, then we have to simplify. Is it clear? So this is the second process. Now I will tell you third process. Okay, so that is equal to, this is cross multiplication process. 2 in, see here numerator 2, denominator 3, here numerator 5, denominator 7. So this numerator, okay, and this denominator, okay, you have to multiply. 2 7 ja 14 plus 3 5 ja 15, cross multiplication, whole by 3 into 7. These two you multiply, 3 7 ja. That means 2 7 ja 14 plus 3 5 ja 15 by 3 7 ja 21. So that is equal to 29 by 21. Now same 29 by 21, 21 1 ja 21, 8. So 1 and 8 by 21. 21 1 ja 21, then remainder 8. So 1 and 8 by 21. This is the third process. Okay. According to possibility, which is easy, that one you can use it. Understood, children? 3 process I have explained. Which is better, which is comfort to you, that one you can go. Okay, no problem. Any process you will get the same answer only. Okay, children? So this is the example 1. Come to example 2. Okay, example 2, subtract 1 by 8 from 3 by 5. Okay, subtract 1 by 8 from 3 by 5. That means 3 by 5 first we have to write. Why? Because from 3 by 5, that means this one we have to write first. So which one we have to subtract? Symbol minus. We have to subtract 1 by 8. So subtract 1 by 8 from 3 by 5. So from 3 by 5 we have to write first minus 1 by 8. Now what is the LCM? LCM of 5 and 8. That means, see, 5 ones are 5, 8. 8 ones are 8. So that is equal to 5 into 8, 40. So that is equal to, LCM is equal to what? 40. Okay. So that is equal to 3 by 5 into, see, in textbook process I am doing. So 3 by 5, first of all, 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 into 8 by 8. 3 8s are 24, 5 8s are 40. So 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 8 into, so 5 by 5. Why? Because 5 8s are 40, 8 5s are 40. 5 8s are 40 now, that's why 8 by 8 you multiply. So 8 5s are 40 now, that's why multiply by 1 by 8 into 5 by 5. So 1 5s are 5, okay, 8 5s are 40, okay. So now this one minus this one, okay, 24 by 40 minus 24 by 40 minus 5 by 40, that is equal to 24 minus 5 by 40. 24 minus 5 by 40, that is equal to 19 by 40. Okay children, so this is the example 2. Okay, in textbook method only I did it, easily you can follow. Okay children, next, suppose in cross multiplication method, how we can do it? Cross multiplication method means simple, but 3 into 8 minus 5 into 1 by 5 into 8. 3 into 8 minus 5 into 1 by 5 into 8. So 3 8s are 24, 5 1s are 5, 8 5s are 40. So easily, then what is the answer? 19 by 40. Simple, and within 2 steps we can get it. Okay, this process also you can follow. Okay children, which is better, that one you can follow. Okay, so example 1 and example 2 we have completed. Okay children, note down. Next to example 3. Example 3. Find A 2 into 5 by 6, B 9 by 10 of 5, C 6 into 1 by 3. Okay, so first of all, A, two into 5 by 6. In this, simply you can understand 2 means what? 2 by 1. 5 by 6, that is equal to 5 by 6. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 1 6 are 6. Then simplify. Okay, 2 5 are 2 3 are. So answer is 5 by 3. 5 by 3. So 5 by 3, that is equal to 5 by 3. 3 1s are 3. So 1 and 2 by 3. 1 and 2 by 3. Okay. So this is the one method. Okay. Next, B solution. B, 9 by 10 of 5. That is equal to 9 by 10 of means into 5. So simply you can cut 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. That means 9 1s are 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 means 2 4s are 8. So 4 and 1 by 2. So 4 and 1 by 2. Okay. Next, this is B. C solution. 6 into 1 by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So that is equal to 2 1s are 2 by 1. That is equal to 2 only. In the same question we got 1 and 2 by 3, no? So another method, suppose 2 into 5 by 6. Simply 2 1s are 2 3s are 1 5s are 5 by 3. 5 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 and 2 by 3. 1 and 2 by 3. Okay children, I hope you understood very well these examples. A, B and C. Children, note down. Next to example 4, A 5 by 8 into 3 by 4. Okay. So observe here, 5 by 8 into 3 by 4. Okay. Simplification is not possible. Why? Because there is no common factors for 5 and 8 or 5 and 4. There is no common factors. So that's why simply you multiply 5 into 3 by 8 into 4. 5 3s are 15, 8 4s are 32. 5 3s are 15, 8 4s are 32. Okay. Next, B 8 by 15 by 9 by 16. Now simple 8 into 9 by 15 into 16. Now there is a common factor for 8 and 16. 8 1s are 8 2s are. There is a common factor for 9 and 15. 3 3s are, 3 5s are. See, 8 1s are, 8 2s are. 8 is a common factor for 8 and 16. 3 is a common factor for 9 and 15. 3 3s are, 3 5s are. Then 1 3s are 3, 5 2s are 10. 3 by 10. Next, C 5 by 2 into 3 by 4. 5 by 2, 5 into 3 by 2 into 4. There is no common factor for 5 and 2 or 5 and 4. There is no common factor for 3 and 2 or 3 and 4. So that's why 5 multiply directly numerators. 5 3s are 15, 2 4s are 8. 15 by 8. So then you can simplify. 8 1s are 8. So 1 and 7 by 8. 1 and 7 by 8. Okay, children? Note down this one. Example 5, one problem I will explain. Find the product four into 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, so that is equal to 4 into 5 and 1 by 2. So 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 2, that is equal to 4 into 11 by 2. For 4 into there is a common factor 2, 2 2s are 4, so 2 11s are 22. Okay, so 22 is the answer. Okay, children, so this is my today's class. I hope you understood very well. So what is today's homework? Today's homework, examples, one, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 examples. In fifth example, A explained, B and C you can do it in the same way. So these 5 examples you have to do practice. Okay, children, I hope you understood very well. Do these examples, each problem 3 times you can do it. Okay, children, note down the same problems in classwork also and practice in homework book. Okay, that one you have to submit. The same thing I will send you PDF file also, you can follow. Thank you for listening. Thank you everybody.